Welcome back, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into that will change the way you think about YouTube and affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explore the powerful combination of YouTube and affiliate marketing and how you can harness its potential to boost your online income. So, grab your notepads, buckle up, and let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand what affiliate marketing is all about. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. You earn this commission when people make a purchase through your unique affiliate link. Now, YouTube, the world's second-largest search engine and a platform with billions of active users, provides an incredible opportunity for affiliate marketers. By combining the power of YouTube's vast audience and your affiliate marketing skills, you can create a win-win situation for both you and the companies you promote. So, how does it work? Well, it's simple. You start by creating high-quality and engaging content on YouTube, targeting a specific niche or audience that aligns with your interests or expertise. This content could be in the form of tutorials, product reviews, unboxing videos, or even entertaining vlogs. As your channel grows and attracts more subscribers, you can then strategically integrate affiliate marketing into your content. This means recommending products or services that are relevant to your audience's interests and needs. But remember, authenticity is key. Your audience trusts you, so it's essential to only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and have personally tested. Once you have chosen the products or services you want to promote, you can sign up for affiliate programs offered by various companies. These programs provide you with unique affiliate links or promo codes that you can share with your audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. But wait, there's more. YouTube provides additional avenues for affiliate marketers to generate income. You can monetize your YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, and even brand collaborations. These additional revenue streams can significantly boost your earnings and make your channel more profitable. To maximize your success, it's important to optimize your YouTube videos for search engine visibility. This includes using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and engaging with your audience through comments and social media. Now, let's address the burning question: how much money can you make with YouTube affiliate marketing? Well, the sky's the limit. It all depends on your dedication, consistency, and the value you provide to your audience. Many successful YouTubers have transformed their channels into full-time businesses, earning six-figure incomes and beyond. However, it's important to note that success doesn't happen overnight. Building a successful YouTube channel and establishing a loyal audience takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right strategies and a genuine passion for what you do, the possibilities are endless. So, whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer looking to expand your reach or a newbie ready to embark on a thrilling online journey, YouTube affiliate marketing offers an exciting opportunity to showcase your expertise, earn passive income, and build a thriving online business. Remember, folks, success in YouTube affiliate marketing is within your reach. So, start creating valuable content, foster meaningful connections with your audience, and let YouTube become your platform for both creativity and financial freedom. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this deep dive into YouTube affiliate marketing helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share this video with others who might find it valuable. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing!